Hello engineers! Welcome back to our YouTube channel. By the way, this is Engineer Jiban Aiko Kalaki at sa araw na to is magsasagot tayo ng isang past board exam problem taken from the recently concluded RAE April 2026 board examination. So, under the subject of power system analysis. Okay, without further ado, let's start our discussion. So may problem tayo dito or may tanong tayo dito, engineers. So yung tanong natin dito is wooden transmission poles are protected from termites by. So ulitin natin. Wooden transmission pole are protected from termites by A. Creosote oil, B. Herbicide, C. Insecticide, D. Pesticide. So ito yung explanation natin sa tanong na to, engineers. So, define natin yung ating tinatawag na creosote oil. So, the creosote oil, or also known as the coal tar creosote, is a dark, oily tar-like substance derived from the coal tar and distillation. So, it is used to protect woods against decay, fungi, and termites. So, therefore, out of the four choices, yung nagpro-protect ng wooden transmission poles from the termites is yung tinatawag nating the creosote oil. So, para mas maintindihan natin, so meron tayong illustration dito. So, ito yung mga tatlong type ng transmission poles. So, pinakauna is insulated by the creosote. Tapos, yung pangalawa is copper in oil. At saka yung pangatlo is water-based copper plus pole silver. So, therefore, to summarize this question, yung nagpro-protect talaga ng wooden transmission pole from the termites, decay, and fungi is yung tinatawag nating the creosote oil. So therefore, yung sagot natin dito is letter A. So i-delete mo muna natin to. So para mas ma-highlight natin, so ito yung gamitin natin. Na, okay. Yun, i-draw na lang natin. So yung sagot natin dito is letter A. Creosote oil. So dito na magtatapos yung ating discussion. I hope may natutunan kayo sa araw na to. And huwag nyo rin kalimutan mag-share, like, at subscribe sa ating YouTube channel para mas marami pa po tayong matulungan at ma-reach ng mga aspiring board exam takers. So sa susunod nating video, maraming salamat sa panonood and see you next time. God bless us all.